Want to dive into hands-on projects and build the skills employers are looking for? Good news! Riipen makes it easy to get started. Let's walk through 3 ways to kick off your project. First up, self-assigned projects. Perfect for learners who like to take charge. Head to the My Experience tab and select your experience. The Experience page will detail your projects. Scroll to the Project section and hit Join Project. You can also join a project by invitation. In this case, your instructor may assign a project to you or your team. You'll get an email with an invite. Just click Accept and you'll be added automatically. If you didn't get the email, head to My Projects, click your team and press Start Project. Take a moment to check who's on your team. Your instructor may have already grouped you with others. Then write a short intro message to the employer. It's your chance to make a great first impression and set up your kickoff. The third way to join a project is to apply to it directly. In My Experiences, pick a project and follow the steps to apply. You'll create a team, answer any screening questions, and write a message explaining why you're a great fit. Once you submit, the employer will review your application, accept or decline it. And that's it. Starting a project is just the beginning. Build your network, grow your experience, and start your journey with Riipen.